Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. How do you send crypto from Coinbase to a personal wallet? Let's find out. In this video, we will also be demonstrating on how to do it on the PC and the mobile app. So no matter how you're trying to do it, this video will help you. Okay, first things first, we're going to demonstrate on the computer version. Super simple. This is the main screen of Coinbase. We are going to come right over here to where it says send crypto. We are going to tap on that. Over here, it will show some recent wallets I've used and some favorite wallets, but we are going to tap right here on the search bar and save the wallet that we want to use. Once we have that, we are going to tap the enter button. It's going to show all the wallets that have some crypto based in there and which ones are linked or can be used with that particular wallet. We are going to tap Solana. And for this particular sending, we are going to send 0.1 Sol and we are going to hit preview. Over here, it's going to show us all the information that we need, which crypto wallet we are sending it to, double check, triple check, quadruple check in the future. Make sure this is correct because if you send it to the wrong wallet, you will not get your crypto back and it will be gone forever. Second thing you want to take a look at is network. Make sure you are sending your crypto through the correct network, through the correct wallet, because you don't want to be one of those people who, let's say, sends USDC and you're trying to send it through Solana, you hit Ethereum by accident. That crypto will be gone forever if you pick the wrong chain. Make sure it's going to the right place. And then right below it, estimated send time. Remember to double check these details. Crypto transactions are irreversible. The total amount we are sending right now is $12.67, and we are going to tap send now. Once we do that, it is going to authenticate everything for us. And because it was a wallet that was already set to my favorites, it automatically confirmed and got submitted. If this was a brand new wallet that hasn't been sent before, it will give you a little pop-up asking to either do an email verification, if you have Authenticator set up through there, or if you have a key pass with, let's say, your phone or something like that, it would have you scan a barcode on screen to finish submitting the transaction. With that out of the way, let's go to the mobile version. All right, and now we are officially on mobile. First thing first, we are going to tap on the button that says crypto. Once we do that, it's going to bring us to this screen and we are going to hit the transfer button. Next, we are going to hit send crypto. Once I do, I will have to kind of jimmy rig this recording a little bit because Coinbase does not like to share screens, which is completely reasonable on your mobile device so people don't steal your stuff. So what I'm going to do now is hit send crypto and it will bring us to this page right here. Again, this looks basically identical to how it does on mobile. I kind of had to use a web version of the app to finish this video. So what we are going to do is come right up over here to where it says email address, invoice, or ENS, and we are going to either copy paste or type in our crypto wallet. Again, double check, triple check, make sure this is correct because if you do the wrong one, you will not be able to get your crypto back. Now, the chain we are going to be sending everything on is going to be on the Solana network, so I'm going to tap that. And then how much crypto we are going to send the remainder of the crypto that is in that wallet. It is going to bring us to this page right here, which is going to show the wallet we're sending it to, the network, again, double check, triple check all this information, and the estimated send time. What we are going to do right now is come right over here to where it says send and tap send now. Okay, and there we have it. The crypto has officially been sent from Coinbase to one of my personal wallets. On screen, I will show a screenshot showing everything went through, no issues. But with that being said, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.